How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this video. If I look a bit tired, it's because I am. I worked last night. I only slept for a couple hours this morning because I got a lot of stuff to do this weekend with a bunch of wedding stuff and all that jazz. So I was working last night and I thought about an idea. And as you could tell by the title of this video, you already know what that idea is. So, I really want to get into drifting. I have, for the past maybe 4 years, I've been wanting to do it. And unfortunately, I don't have the car for it. Now, you guys are probably thinking, Philip, you've got a perfectly good G35. It's like perfectly set up for drifting. It handles well, has enough power. Why don't you use that? Well, for most of you that have been following me for a long time, you guys will know that this car is an automatic. Now, I'm not saying you can't drift in an automatic, because you definitely can. Especially, I do have sport shifts, so you can do it. It's just not ideal. And also, I care about this car way too much to drift. If I were to stuff it into a wall or do anything, I would be devastated. Like, I care about this car way too much. So, my plan is that from a year from now, I want to save up enough money to purchase a drift car. No, it's not going to be a 350Z. Those are way too common now. I'm thinking more of a 4-door. I'm all about that drift taxi life. I love seeing 4-doors drift. 4-doors drift. I can't speak. I'm still freaking tired. So yeah, I'm definitely thinking a 4-door, and I just want to. A year from now, I want to have at least a couple $1,000s to put down as a down payment, because it more likely will be a car that I'll have to make payments on, and just right now, it's just not financially smart to do it now. So a year from now, I hope to be in a better financial situation, better job, hopefully, and a little more money saved up for a nice down payment. So until then, my plan is to purchase a wheel setup for my Xbox and PC. I am big into gaming. I have always wanted a wheel setup for Forza and all that, and then on the PC, like Assetto Corsa, all those racing simulators, because I figured if I can get a full wheel setup, the wheel, 3 pedals, a shifter, I can, in a sense, learn how to drive manual better. I can learn how to clutch kick, downshift properly. Now, yes, it won't be the same as real life, of course not, but I'll at least have the basics and the understanding down. So that will, I think that'll help me a lot once I jump into a real car. And there's I think there's a couple well-known drivers, even maybe a pro driver or two, that started out just driving on a wheel on Xbox and decided, hey, I'm gonna do this in real life. So that's what I want to do, because at least then when I jump into a real car, I'll have the basic knowledge of how to do everything, and hopefully it'll start off a bit easier. And I just think overall it'll help me. It'll help get more skill, and just like I said, just the know-how, the feeling of doing everything. So that being said, I figured that might make for some good video content. If you guys would like to see like a very beginning to wherever I progress of drifting, which will start out on these simulator videos, like it could be me on Forza doing whatever, let me know in the comments if you guys would want to see that. I am going to upload all of my footage to, I have a gaming channel that I just kind of dick around with. I was going to upload everything to that anyways because it's gaming, but if you guys would like to see my progress over, however long I do this, something on my tongue, let me know, and I'll definitely upload that here, because I think it would be good fun content, because right now my skills for driving manual, I can get around in a parking lot. That's about it. I don't know how to downshift, like rev matching and all that. Sure as hell don't know how to clutch kick and all that. So I think being able to learn that on the simulator and, you know, do that in Forza and stuff would be pretty cool. And then eventually, you know, when I get the car, being able to use my knowledge from the simulator to the real world, and then see how quickly, you know, I can get it, or if I can at least be a little more used to it. I think you guys know what I'm trying to say. So let me know if you guys will be interested in that. This is my goal, my overall plan for right now is hopefully start learning on the simulator setup, and then I would really love it to, from a year from now, maybe a year at the end of the summer, have a car. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Good idea, bad idea. Would you guys want to see that video, not see the video? Or if you just want to just talk about drifting and stuff and your plans or goals if you want to do it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.